Ever wondered how to make money while you sleep? Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing, a realm where passive income isn't just a dream, but a tangible reality. Meet John, an individual just like you looking for ways to earn online. John had tried everything, from online surveys to freelance gigs, but nothing seemed to provide a stable income. The constant hustle, bidding on projects and dealing with fickle clients left him drained. He yearned for a sustainable income stream, one that didn't demand his undivided attention round the clock. His quest for financial freedom seemed like a mirage in the desert of traditional income methods. But then, something caught his eye, a glimmer of hope on the horizon. It was something called affiliate marketing. John began to explore affiliate marketing, learning about profitable niches, the right products, and crafting compelling content. Picking the right niche was the first step. John discovered it's not just about what's popular, but what resonates with him and his potential audience. Next, he delved into product selection. He realized it's crucial to choose items that are high quality, relevant, and offer decent commission rates. But even with the right niche and products, John knew he needed compelling content. He started creating engaging, value-packed posts that not only promoted the products but also solved problems for his audience. With time, John's efforts started paying off, his income was growing, and he was finally making money while he slept. Just like John, you too can turn your online income dreams into reality. Unearth the secrets of profitable niches, select the right products, and master the art of compelling content. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. John's journey began with a single step, and yours can too. Learn from successful affiliate marketers, apply their strategies, and you're well on your way. So, are you ready to dive into this pool of opportunity? Ready to unlock your passive income potential? Visit our landing page for comprehensive resources on affiliate marketing.